Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete the Tonkeeper wallet account. So a quick one, open up your Tonkeeper wallet right away. Then what you want to do is simple, locate your settings. So the settings gear icon is always in the upper right corner over here. As you can see where there is that red dot. So click there. When you click there, scroll down until the last option you see delete account. So Tonkeeper gives you an option of deleting your account if at all you're tired of using Tonkeeper. So you click on delete account, and of course you have to accept over here, and then you have to tick over here and tap on that check mark. Okay, after doing that, this button of delete wallet will be activated. If I do it like this, as you can see, the button of delete wallet will be activated. And if you click on that button, you automatically delete your Tonkeeper account right away. So guys, that's a simple procedure, and I hope you found value in this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet in the next video once again.